Malik, why are you staring at the microwave like it owe you money or cheated on you? Because it did. That thing works for the government. It's a surveillance device. Since when? That ain't a your food ready beep. That's a we listening bitch beep. I felt it in the frequency. The ancestors humming. Both you fools need therapy. Exactly. They want us relaxed. That's exactly how they infiltrate the black household. Through microwaves, through the Wi-Fi, through cell phones, through doorbell cameras. What the fuck? I can see that. Alright, I give you the phones, Wi-Fi, even the doorbell camera. But the microwave? You bought it. The fuck that mean? The ancestors are saying that it gives off weird energy. So I'm the government now. I hope you smoke bad weed, bitch. You don't mean that. I do. You walk around like you're doing an audit. Who left the lights on? Who left the water running? Malik, hear me. Nothing in this house is spying on you or us. Did y'all hear that? No. Because the ancestors did. You know what? I knew it. Malik, don't shoot my microwave. Damn, when did he get a strap?